Garmin has updated their Venu lineup with 2 new watches to Venu 3 and Venu 3 seconds, increasing competition in the field of smartwatches. Meanwhile, Samsung just unveiled its highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 6 series, which raised the bar in terms of health tracking and overall design by several notches. Now, if you had to choose one of these watches for yourself, which one would you choose? Let's find out in today's video. Garmin crafted the brand new Venu 2 with a tough and tested fiber-reinforced polymer case that comes accompanied by a sleek stainless steel bezel. The display comes with solid protection and kudos to Gorilla Glass 3, which guarantee the reliable amount of durability. Now, the Watch 6 on the other hand decided to trim things down from their predecessor with comparatively thinner bezels on the standard Watch 6 variant. However, the classic variant of the Watch 6 brings back the iconic and much-loved rotating bezel that provides a comparatively more tactile experience for the users. In terms of display, the Venu 3 from Garmin features a 1.4 inches AMOLED screen with an always-on feature. This guarantees that whatever the angle may be, you'll be able to check your data at a glance. The Galaxy Watch 6 in comparison comes with a sapphire crystal Super AMOLED panel with a full-color always-on display. The 40mm variant, however, comes with a 1.3 inches screen, whereas the 44mm model showcases a larger 1.5 inches display. For health tracking, the Venu 3 series stands apart from the competition, courtesy of its advanced sleep tracking features that not only track sleep, but also daytime naps. This, when combined with the pulse ox and HRV monitoring, can give the user a detailed and comprehensive overview of their overall health and physical statistics. But that's not the only thing. Garmin also added an additional wheelchair mode that tracks daily pushes instead of steps. Now, Samsung as expected comes with robust health tracking capabilities in the Watch 6 series that include but are not limited to heart rate and temperature sensors that enhance overall sleep tracking. Samsung made sure the watch comes with its proprietary bioactive sensor that monitors the optimal heart rate, electrical heart signal, and bioelectrical impedance analysis. With the Watch 6, you're also getting a barometer, a gyro, and so on. Now, the Venu 3 upon opening comes boasting a battery life that can run for up to 14 days. This amount of battery life from a single charge guarantees that battery anxiety would be the least of your problems. However, do keep in mind that if you prefer using GNSS location services, you should expect a considerably reduced amount of battery duration. Especially when you turn on the all systems GNSS mode, you'll get a hefty and reliable 20-hour runtime from a single charge. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 on the other hand claims to provide a solid 30 hours of battery life, while having the always-on display toggled on. Besides, upon deactivation, Watch 6 can run for up to 40 hours. Following suit of other Garmin watches, the Venu 3 is shaping up to be compatible with both Android and iOS platforms, which should be able to make it a tad bit more versatile in a market that produces platform-centric smartwatches. The Galaxy Watch series, on the other hand, runs on Google's Wear OS-based One UI 5 and comes compatible with WPC-based wireless fast charging, while offering a plethora of connectivity options such as LTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, and of course GPS. Now, with all that being said, if you had to pick one from either, which one should you go for? To break it down, if you're a fitness enthusiast who prefers monitoring your physical results and tracking your health over everything else, the Venu 3 might be the better choice for you considering their commendable battery life, not to mention the dedicated wheelchair mode. Now, on the flip side, if you're looking for a blend of style and functionality with a dash of that classic design language Samsung is famous for, the Galaxy Watch 6 from Samsung, alongside its rotating bezel and sharp display, is more than happy to be your new best friend. So, that was a comparison between Garmin Venu 3 versus Galaxy Watch 6. We do hope this video made the choice easier. Which one of these watches would you be going with? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And after everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.